Hey everyone, bless you. Sorry, Twinkie just sneezed. She's right behind me watching. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this look. I haven't done something this creative and wild in a really long time, and I'm really happy I got the chance to. Thank you to my girl Madison for requesting a festival inspired makeup look. She sent me a picture of one of Jordan Lipscomb's, I think that's her name, Lipscomb's festival looks, and I just kind of recreated it with a little touch of my own, some glitter tears and some funky hair. And I did try the Ardell magnetic lashes, and I think they look really cool. They're a little tricky to try at first, but I really like the way it looks. And yeah, so if you want to see how I If you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment what you want to see next, or if you're going to any festivals this summer. And I don't know if I said this already, and don't forget to follow my Instagram, SamiamBeautyX, and yeah, I think we're ready. Right, I'm gonna start off with my Sephora little individual palette, and I'm going to go in with this peachy shade. I will list all the shades on the screen, so I don't know what they are off the top of my head. I'm just going to go in with the usual windshield wiper motions, and I am going to bring this out, totally out, as far as I can. Just want a really blown out look, and I'm also going to bring that underneath. And excuse my crazy baby hairs flying everywhere. And we're gonna match the other side. And there will probably be a lot of fallout with this look, but I cannot stand to do my eyes before my face, so I did do my full face first, just to make the tutorial a little quicker, otherwise we'd be here all day. I will have all the products I used in order listed in the description bar, so in the little down bar below, so please check that out if you're curious. I would have loved to incorporate the face part, but everyone's skin is a little bit different, dry, combination, oily, so everyone's gonna kind of want to do different steps to ensure that their makeup lasts all day and use different products. So I know what works best for my skin type, which is like normal to dry. But if you would like to see a face tutorial for that, then let me know. Alright, and then I'm gonna go with the red shade. I'm actually gonna use a different brush. I'm gonna use this kind of brush. And every so often I'm just gonna go back in with the first brush with the first color to just kind of blend it out. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of red brick from MAC. I'm just gonna put that in the same spot pretty much as the other ones, but mainly focusing in the outer corner. Ooh, actually I'm just gonna bring this all around. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Colourpop Supernova shadow just on my lid. We are gonna put something else on top of this. I really like this, but I feel like it's a little bit sheer. And I'm just kind of layering it on until I like the opacity. Oh, and it's in the color Walk of Fame. And then I'm just going to take a flat shader brush, and then I'm just going to apply a copper pigment. It's by MAC. And again, I'm just going to dust away the fallout. Okay, we're going to go in with our Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner and just put that on our waterline. And then we are going to take a little smudgy brush like this. This is the MAC 214. And I'm going to take the MAC Individual Shadow Beauty Marked, and we're just going to smudge out that lower lash line. Kind of doing this motion to connect it to the top later. Kind of connecting to the top just a bit. Not bringing it out too much. I mean, you can if you want. That'd be a really nice look. And then I'm going to take my MAC Brushstroke liner and Brushblack, and I'm going to do my liner. Not keeping it too thin. I'm going to take my mascara, if I can find it. Upward Black, the Upward Lash Mascara by MAC is like the best mascara in the whole entire universe. So good. So good. Anyways, I'm just going to take a really light layer with that because we're going to try some fun new lashes. We're going to try the Ardell Magnetic Accent Lashes. So they're just going to go on the outer portion of the eye. So I am just going to put some mascara on first. This mascara is really good at separating as well as lengthening and curling. At least that's what it does to my lashes. And now for the glitter tears, I'm just gonna again go in with my Colourpop Supernova shadow, and I'm just gonna make a little triangle of tears. Let's do some on the other side. They don't have to be symmetrical. I really like the way this looks. Okay, and now I'm gonna apply some bottom mascara. Now I'm gonna do some highlight. I'm going to use my MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. This is the, I hate that it doesn't say the name on here. It's the pinker one. So I always go in with the darkest color first and apply that. I'm gonna have to be careful where I apply it because we brought that out so much, so I'm trying to avoid that area. But I am bringing it around the top of the forehead. Usual nose. Cupid's bow. And I am gonna go in with the second light, or the middle color, I guess, and just intensify it. And since I have a couple imperfections going on right now, I am just gonna cover them up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make orange freckles. So I'm just gonna take, this is the Kathleen Lights Colourpop collaboration liquid lip in Rêve. It's a French word, I can't remember what it means. I'm just gonna take a spoolie and I'm gonna take my beauty blender. They're not perfect, but all freckles are different. And I know these aren't very round, but it's a festival, who cares? And then for lips, okay, so now that I put that orange, I am gonna do a nude lip. So I'm just gonna take Magic Wand by Colourpop. Hopefully this isn't too light. If not, we can change it. Oh no, I think this is good. And then I'm gonna add a gloss on top just because why not? I'm going to add my my Estee Lauder Pure Innocence. Oh no, just Innocence. Pink Innocence gloss. Okay, so now you can totally leave it at this, or you can put on some falsies. So I'm gonna try out these Ardell falsies because I'm very curious about them. They're magnetic lashes. I've never attempted to put these on. So this is a little box, and this is how they come in the little package like normal. So you see there's upper lashes and lower lashes. So I have seen videos of people putting these on. So let's just attempt. And they are just accent lashes, so they just go on the corner of the eye. So they're just kind of supposed to go like that. This is so weird. First attempt, fail. I'm gonna try leaving the top ones on first and then putting the bottom ones on. So holding the top ones here. Ooh, I like it. It's kind of like alien vibes. And they're not very uncomfortable. So the top one first. I think it would take a couple tries just to get it like on the corner, like I mean on the very, you know, at the base of the lash line, but I am just gonna add a little more mascara to the rest of my lashes. Alright, I feel like it looks a little crazy, but I mean I already look crazy, so. I'm kind of digging them. They're kind of cool. And like I said, like, it probably just takes practice to perfect them, but this is the final look. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I really hope that you liked it. I'm really, really happy with this look. Oh, also, one last thing. So I did kind of do my hair in like some, you know, basic ass space buns. But, yo, if you're going on maybe like day 2 or 3 of your festival, your hair's looking a little greasy, I got this from Trade Secrets. It's just like a hair spray, but it's colored. And I tried it out and it's not that colored. It's just more like sparkly. I don't know if you can tell. But like when I spray it on my hand, it's more just like sparkle rather than like, it's supposed to be silver, but I don't know if it dries silver or if it's just like supposed to be silver sparkles. Okay, in my mirror you can definitely see the sparkles. Oh, that's so fun. I almost forgot to say, go a little crazy and just put some strobe cream on your whole body and just shine. And I'm using my Fix Plus that was custom created, and it like makes me look like a glowy fairy goddess. So I'm gonna put that. But MAC has a new product which is Fix Plus Strobe, so pick that up and you will literally be a dewy god. So there we go. Complete. Okay, now the look is finished. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the next video and follow my Instagram, SamiamBeautyX, and like it. And comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mascara at the top, because I'm gonna brush.